What our kids need most is time. Time to explore their surroundings. Time to learn who they are. Time to figure out how to enjoy their own company and structure their free time. Time to think. Time to dream. Time to dawdle and wander. Stop screen time replacing green time. The dirtier the feet, the happier the heart. We are born to play. Our bodies need to move. Cuts and bruises are okay. Encourage children to do things for themselves. Confident kids are happy kids. Experience frustration. Solve problems. Develop perseverance. Determination comes from within. Allow children to nurture it. Let children challenge themselves. Explore something new. Take risks. Develop resilience. Be curious. Play. Be inspired. Be motivated. Be inclusive. Let them get dirty. Climb a tree. Play with fire. Walk barefooted. Use real tools. Build huts in the woods. Jump off a moving swing. Feel the rain on their faces, mud between their toes, and wind in their hair. Life is full of risks. Give children the opportunity to take risks and develop essential life skills. Risky play is a natural element of human development and a key part of a well-rounded childhood. Confidently take children outdoors and into nature. Little Kiwis Nature Play. New Zealand specific nature play training for teachers and parents.